Access OS is the operating system that we use across the entire Access device portfolio. It's running in cameras, speakers, access control and even radars. You can easily say that it's running in millions of Access devices worldwide. The security industry has quite specific requirements when it comes to quality, stability and cybersecurity. If you combine that with expectations on a very high uptime and a long product life cycle, you get something that really needs something purposely built. And each Access device leverages Access OS to meet those requirements. When you're buying an Access OS device, you're not only buying that product, you're buying an expectations of a maintained lifetime of that product, which means that you can get a long-term value back out of that investment. When it comes to cybersecurity, bug fixes, performance, that is something Access OS enables.